If something has a probability of 1, what does that mean? It will happen? And you know what? Not just it will happen every time. Every time I roll a 6-sided die, I will get a number less than 12. Every time. It will happen every time. If a probability is 0, what does that mean? It will never happen. A lot of the problems, you're going to see things like a deck of cards. Now, if you don't know what's in a deck of cards, you need to find out. The best way to find out is to get a deck of cards. You can Google it on the computer, and you can pull it up and look at it. But there's nothing like getting a deck of cards in your hands and kind of sorting them out. There, I've pulled out some 2s and some 3s. Sort them by categories. And you can Google it and you can try to memorize it, but if you get a deck of cards in your hand, it's just so much more powerful on learning what's in a deck of cards. Sort them by numbers. Sort out the face cards. How many queens are in the deck? There are 4 queens in the deck. How many face cards are in the deck? 12. A face card is a card that has a face, like the queens. Well, the jacks have faces. There are 4 jacks. The kings have faces. Every time we talk probability, I'll have students say, but aren't the aces face cards? No, here's an ace. Is there a face on it? No, no. So get a deck of cards. How many red cards are in the deck? Half of them. What's half of 52? 26. What is, how many black cards? 26. So let's look at a few card problems. I'm going to make up some card problems. Let's write our own a little bit. So you are dealt. They'll say dealt. They'll say you pick a card. They'll say you draw a card. They all mean the same thing. You are dealt 1 card from a deck of 52 cards. Find the probability that the 1 card is, I'm going to put several parts on this problem. Part A red card. Part B, a club. Part C, a 2. Part D, a 2 or a 3. Part E, a red card or a 10. Part F, a red card or a black card. And part G, a green card